In this video from DelphStack, I will show you how to fix Softkeys on Android using simple and quick methods. If your navigation buttons like Back, Home, or Recent apps are not working, the first thing you should do is restart your phone. A normal restart can fix temporary software bugs that freeze the Softkeys. If the phone is fully stuck, try a force restart by holding the power button for a few seconds. If the problem continues, you can use third-party apps to replace the Softkeys. Go to the Google Play Store and install apps like Simple Control or Softkeys. Back Button Pro. These apps create a virtual navigation bar on your screen. After installing, enable the required permissions, especially accessibility access, so the buttons can work properly. Another useful solution is switching to gesture navigation. Go to Settings, then Display and open Navigation Bar. From there, select Gesture Navigation. This bypasses the Softkeys completely and lets you control your phone with swipes instead of buttons. If your issue is related to typing or keyboard lag instead of navigation, you should clear the cache of your keyboard app. Go to Settings, then Apps, find your keyboard like Gboard, open Storage and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing problems. You should also check for software updates. Go to Settings, then System, and open System Update. Install any available updates because outdated software can cause navigation glitches and UI errors. These steps should help you fix most Softkey problems on Android and restore smooth control of your device. Thanks for watching.